Good morning to one and all. I am Bovala Vinod Reddy and my subject Engineering Circuits and my roll number 20951 capital A 04P4 and my section and the branch EC from D section. And today my topic is maximum power transfer from DC excitation circuits. And entering to the topic, first references books where this concept can be seen by these related books. Introduction by the circuit analysis robot and biolisted personal education presenting hall and networks and systems of Asak Hazan Kaham Books Publishers Co. Private Limited, Delhi. Network and System Sudhakar when Tata MC Grav Hills, New Delhi from New Delhi. Network Analysis MA Van Valkenburg PHI Learning Private Limited, New Delhi. Circuit Analysis Principles Applications Allen H. Robbins, Wilhelms and C. Miller, Delmars Challenge Learning, Indian preprint. This book helps to knowledge about the maximum power transfer from the DC from planar networks, where the statement for the maximum power transfer from theorem for the DC circuits or maximum power transfer theorem states that in a DC network maximum power is transferred to a load when the load resistance is equal to the Thevenin's equivalent resistance of the network. When the Thevenin's equivalent resistance is equal to the load resistance is known as the maximum power transfer from the DC motor. Proof. For example, consider the following Thevenin's equivalent circuits where it presents the circuit with the voltage V and the resistance with R and RL is the load resistance at the point of A and B from seen in the figure 1, and the V is Thevenin's voltage and RL is the load resistance along with AB, where the RF is the Thevenin's resistance and the RL is where the IL is the current through the load resistance, and the current is passed through load resistance is IL. And next, maximum the power delivered to the load determined as a function of the load resistance RL. Power equals to volt square by resistance, where the V square means the voltage of the load resistance whole square by resistance of the load, where the power along with the load resistance is equals to V square by width R. Also VL equals to width of RL by Rth plus Rth of Thevenin's voltage Thevenin's resistance plus load resistance. Voltage divider rules. By the voltage divider rule, VL at load resistance for voltage equals to voltage into load voltage by the R means Thevenin resistance value plus load resistance value, where the P equals to where the VL is substituted in the first equation means in power. And by submitting this we can be having V square into RL resistance of load resistance by Rth means resistance of Thevenin's resistance plus load resistance plus whole square. And this is the equation number 1. R will be means resistance load resistance will be received maximum power when derivation of P with respect to the load resistance equals to 0. Okay. At this condition, the power having the load resistance receives the maximum power, where differential equation with respect to 1 is equals to 0, where with respect to the load resistance of power equals to 0, and from simple derivations Thevenin's resistance equals to load resistance. Hence the theorem is verified. Where the Thevenin resistance is equals to the load resistance, it is the maximum power consumed by the load. Put RL equals to R means the load resistance is equals to the Taiwan's resistance. And next, power L maximum. When the power maximum V square into load resistance by Taiwan's resistance plus load resistance whole square, where the power maximum load power maximum equals to Taiwan's voltage square into Taiwan's resistance by Taiwan's resistance plus Taiwan's resistance whole square, where the RL equals to simply is equals to the RL, means the Taiwan resistance plus Taiwan resistance equals to whole square, where the power by before slide, where our Taiwan's resistance equals to load resistance, then we substitute in this equation, where the power of load resistance equals to voltage of Taiwan square by 4 Taiwan's resistance, power consumed by the Taiwan resistance, where the R equals to simply we can write as voltage of Taiwan's resistance whole square by power into 4, where the Taiwan's power equals to P equals to I square into R, where the I equals to load current whole square into Taiwan's resistance equals to Taiwan's, where the load resistance into load current whole square, where the IL means the load current equals to voltage of Taiwan's by Taiwan's resistance plus the load resistance. And next slide, where the voltage of Taiwan equals to power of Taiwan equals to voltage of Taiwan by Taiwan's resistance plus load resistance whole square into load resistance. Put RL equals to load resistance equals to Taiwan's resistance, where the Taiwan's power is equals to and the Taiwan's voltage whole square by 4 into Taiwan's resistance is written as to be 4. Total power supplied by the network equals to total power supply P total equals to PL plus load power plus Taiwan's power, where the P total equals to V square plus 4R square plus V square by 4R square equals to V square by 2R square. The efficiency is defined as the ratio of power delivered to the load power to be total power supplied by the network is P square with Taiwan's voltage whole square by 2 Taiwan's resistance, where the efficiency equals to load power by total power into 100%. We convert efficiency means defined as percentages, where the P load power equals to V square by 4R square and the total power equals to V square by 2R, where the V square cancel and the 2 is 4 and the N equals to 50%, where the efficiency equals to 50%. The maximum power transfer theorem for the DC through planar network is 50% efficiency. The maximum power transfer theorem is used to electronic system, where the maximum power transfer is important than the efficiency in the power system. The efficiency is the important, so the maximum power transfer theorem is limited power system because 50% efficiency can be tolerated. And okay, thank you for listening to me, and thank you for giving this opportunity to a college and respected sir. Thank you.